welcome to Homeschool this year, Class 10 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our Chapter 10 Quadratic Equations and your exercise 10.4 first main. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. We have seen in our introduction class about the nature of roots. What is the nature of roots? We have seen the quadratic equation and we found out what is the discriminant and what is its value. It is represented by d. d is equal to b square minus 4ac. If d equal to 0, then the nature of the roots will be, the roots are real and equal. If delta, it may be represented as a d or delta. That is, its value is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. If delta is less than 0, that means it is a negative. If it is negative, then it doesn't have any roots. Suppose if the delta is greater than 0, it is having a value more than 0, 1, 2, 3 or any other. So then the nature of the roots will be distinct. It will be having two roots and they are distinct. Distinct in the sense they are different. Let's start our first problem. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. What's your first step? Compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form. With the standard form of quadratic equation. What is that? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare the given equation with the standard form and write a, b, c values. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. First step, we need to compare the given equation with the standard form. Then we need to find the value of a discriminant. We know discriminant. What is that? Discriminant is represented by capital D or delta. D equal to b square minus 4ac. Find out this value and then you can say the nature of the roots. What's your b? Minus 3 whole square minus 4 into you can put it out here. A value is 2, C value is 5. Minus 3 whole square, minus into minus, plus 3 3s are 9. 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40. Minus 40. This is 9 minus 40 will be minus 31. Immediately you can say that delta or a d is less than 0. Why it is less than 0? You have a negative value. Negative means it is less than 0. Then what will be the nature of the roots? Therefore, nature of the roots are these does not have any real roots, or just you can say there are no roots, or the nature of the discriminant is having no root. Anyway, you can end up your statement. Nature of the roots, these does not have any real roots. Second one, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. First step, similarly you can write, compare the given quadratic equation with standard form. What is that standard form? Directly you can write ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is equal to 3 and your b, observe here, it is minus 4 root 3 and your c value is 4. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substitute now. D is equal to, B value is minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into, A value is 3 and C value is 4. Look here, minus into minus plus, 4 4s are 16. Root 3 into root 3. What happens? Whole square and root will be cancelled. So you are left with 16 3s are. What is 16 3s are? It will be 48. Look here children carefully. Minus 4 root 3 into minus 4 root 3. Minus into minus plus. 4 4s are 16. Whereas root 3 you can just write like this. Root 3 into root 3 whole square you can write. Square and root cancel. Then 16 3s are you need to multiply. Minus 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 48 minus 48 will be 0. D equal to 0. Then what is the nature of the roots children? Therefore the nature of the roots is they have real and equal roots. The nature of the roots is they have real and equal roots. So what about this equation? This equation, if you solve by factorization method, formula method or completing square method, you are going to get the roots such that they are real and equal. Here how you are going to get? They doesn't have any roots. You won't get a proper roots. As we have seen your second problem, the roots are real and equal. But we did not find out what are the roots, right? Due to no place, we have stopped the problem there and I have continued here. I have written A value, B value, C value. So whichever method you are comfortable, you can factorize and you can find the roots. I just go with the formula method. What is the formula children? X is equal to minus B plus or minus root B square minus 4AC by 2A. Take the value, substitute B value, minus of minus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of B square, that is minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4 whole divided by 2 into 3. Now just look here, minus into minus plus 4 root 3 plus or minus root of minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16, root 3 into root 3 will be 3. 16 3s are 48 minus 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48 by 2 3s are 6. Now 48 minus 48 will be 0. Root 0 doesn't have any value. So just let's leave this part and write 4 root 3 by 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are. And here 2 root 3 by 3. Again I can cancel. How can you cancel? Just look here carefully. Root 3 and 3 can be cancelled. How? Root 3 into root 3 is 3, no? Yes or no? Just have a look here. Root 3 into root 3. What happens? Root 3 whole square. Square root cancels. 3 will be left. 3 in other way, we can write it as root 3 into root 3. When you cancel, you are going to get here 2 by root 3 is equal to 2 by root 3. X is equal to 2 by root 3 means what children? The roots are equal, we have said. The roots are real and equal, but in a quadratic equation, it will be having 2 roots. Then I have only 1 root. Then what about other 2 equal roots? Means one more root will be 2 by root 3. Same root will be there. We have 2 roots, right? You can write here. Therefore, the 2 real roots are 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Both are same, right? Roots are real and equal we got. Therefore, both are same roots. Let's see the third problem. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Similar pattern. Compare the given quadratic equation with standard form. What is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now just compare a. What is your a value? A value is 2 and then b value is minus 6. C value is 3. Okay. Next, discriminant formula. D, capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Look here children, you can write instead of D, you can write delta symbol also. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Both are correct. Don't worry. Discriminant represented by either capital D or delta. Substitute now. B is equal to minus 6 whole square minus 4 into A value is 2 into C value is 3. Minus 6 whole square. Minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36 minus 3 2s are 6. 6 4s are 24. Now what it will be? 36 minus 24. 12. Delta is greater than 0. So what you can write? Delta is greater than 0. Therefore, the given quadratic equation has nature of roots as real and distinct. What do you mean by this? Real and distinct. These have the roots, but the roots, 2 roots which are distinct. Distinct means the having 2 different roots. Now in your question, what did they ask? If the real roots exist, find them. Yes, here there are roots and the roots are different. What are the roots? We need to find out. Whichever method you are comfortable, you can go with that. You can go with the factorization, or you can go with the formula, or you can go with the completing square method. Let's go with the formula method. We know the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. As we have already compared here with the given quadratic equation with the standard form a, b, c we know. So directly you can substitute in the formula. X is equal to, your b value is minus 6, minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of minus 6 whole square minus 4ac. 4 into 2 into 3 whole divided by 2 into 2. Now x is equal to minus into minus plus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 whole square minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36. Now again 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are how much here? 24. Whole divided by 2 2s are 4. X is equal to 6 plus or minus 36 minus 24. It will be square root of 12 whole divided by 4. Is 12 is a perfect square? No, it's not a perfect square. Either it is a multiple of any perfect square. Yes, it is a multiple of perfect square. What it is? 6 plus or minus root of 4 3s are 12. Now you can remove this 4 from root. If it comes out, what it will be? 2. Write that 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 4. Take out 2 common. 3 plus or minus root 3 by 4. Now you can cancel this. 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4. Therefore, let me carry this problem here. Therefore, x is equal to 3 plus or minus root 3 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2 or x is equal to 3 minus root 3 by 2. As we have seen before, we have discussed here, this quadratic equation will have 2 real and distinct roots. Distinct, here 3 plus root 3 and here 3 minus root 3. Therefore, the 2 roots are different. Let's start with the second main. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have 2 equal roots. Already they have given roots are equal. Nature of the roots are equal given in your quadratic equation. Some letter is given. You need to find this value. What we need to find? We need to find the value of k. Let's see the first one. 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. First step, compare the given quadratic equation with standard form. With standard form of the quadratic equation, what it is? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare children now. A equal to 2, b equal to k. We need to find this value. C equal to 3. And they have given, what they have given, just see here. They have given that the roots are equal. Given roots are equal. If they are equal, what we can say? Either delta or d, you can say discriminant equal to 0. What is delta value? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Substitute the value children here. B value is k. K whole square minus 4 into A value is 2 into C value is 3 equal to 0. K into k square minus 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24 is equal to 0. Now this minus 4, send other side, it will be plus 24. K square is equal to 24. Remove the square. If you remove square, what happens? You will apply square root on other side. K is equal to plus or minus square root of 24. We got k value plus or minus root 24. You can just write like this also. As 24 is not a perfect square. Is it a perfect square? No, then how can we write this? You can split this one. How can you split, children? Just look here. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 6 2 3s. Right? 4 6 are 24. You know that. Just split this one. 4 6 are. This 4 is a perfect square. Remove from root. K is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. Therefore, finally, K is equal to plus 2 root 6 or K is equal to minus 2 root 6. They have 2 roots. Therefore, K is equal to plus 2 root 6 or K is equal to minus 2 root 6. Let's see the second problem here. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. First, simplify this equation, bring it to quadratic equation and then compare with the standard form. Multiply this kx into x. Kx square plus into minus 2 2kx if you multiply 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Right? Now again same step it continues. Compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form of the equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. On comparing, you can say a is equal to k and b is equal to minus 2k, c is equal to 6. Okay, and what did they give here? The roots are equal. So they have given that given the nature of the roots, you can write, or just you can say given roots are equal. So if the roots are equal, I can write delta equal to 0. Delta is a discriminant, and delta value you can write it as b square minus 4a is equal to 0. Substitute the values here. B value is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a value is k, c value is 6 equal to 0. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4k into k square. Okay, and here 6 4s are 24, k equal to 0. Now, how can you find the roots for this? We can just take out common. Is there anything to take common? Yes. 4k, take out common. You are left with k. 4 6 24, k already you have taken out. So that will be equate with the 0. 4k equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. K, this 4 is a multiple. Send other side, it will be divided. K equal to 0 by 4, it will be 0. Or minus 6, send other side, plus 6. K is equal to either 6 or k equal to 0. What is the k value here, children? K value cannot be 0. So what you can say finally? Therefore, k is equal to 6. If you substitute 6, what's your answer? 6x square minus 12x plus 6 equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. What you found k, this is the answer. Okay, what is k, children? K is equal to 6. With this, we are going to end our session. In our next session, we are going to complete the chapter. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.